In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. This is a very quick process, and once you know where to look, it becomes easy to find anytime you need it. Your LinkedIn username is the unique part of your profile link, and it's often required when you're filling out forms, sharing your profile with someone, or connecting your LinkedIn account to another platform. To get started, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. Make sure you're signed in to the correct LinkedIn account first, especially if you manage more than one account or switch between personal and business profiles. Once you're on your profile page, you'll be able to see the section that contains your public profile information. From there, look for the area labeled Public Profile and URL. In that section, you should see your profile link displayed. This is the full web address that leads directly to your LinkedIn profile. Click into that URL, highlight it completely, and copy it to your clipboard. If you're using Windows, you can copy it with Control and C. If you're on a Mac, use Command and C. After copying the link, you can paste it anywhere you need. In most cases, the part that comes after linkedin.com/in is what people mean when they say your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. So if you only need the username, you can simply use that final portion of the link rather than the entire URL. One useful tip here is to make sure you copy the correct public profile link and not a temporary browser address from another page on LinkedIn. Taking the link directly from the public profile and URL section helps ensure that you're using the clean, shareable version of your profile. It's also a good idea to double-check the copied link after pasting it somewhere, just to confirm that nothing extra was included. Sometimes an accidental space or extra character can cause problems when submitting it in a form. And that's it. Once you've copied your profile URL from your LinkedIn profile dashboard, you've successfully found your LinkedIn username or LinkedIn ID. It's a simple step, but it can save time whenever you need to share your profile accurately and professionally.